how you got into building and the type of projects that your company does.
Got into doing more of the cabinetry and then building on the side as well.
How has your mindset grown and evolved over the last sort of 12 months or so?
Still not where we want to be, but it's been a massive difference.
What have you implemented?
Yeah, so much.
Where do you want to take the business and what do you want to do?
Yeah, I don't.
Why not previously be taking massive action? Was it a confidence switch?
It's a no-brainer really when you actually just stop working and actually think about it.
What would you say to someone who is going okay, but they know they could achieve more? Hi, welcome to the Builder's Ladder. Marti Amos, founder of The Professional Builder, and today I'm here with Tyrone Galloway. How are you, my man?
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Awesome, I love it. So let's crack into it. Tell me a little bit about your background, where you're based, how you got into building, and the type of projects that your company does.
Okay, so background, basically qualified as a cabinet maker right at the start. As soon as I left school, I think I was 15. I then did that for a little while, then obviously got into doing more of the cabinetry and then building on the side as well. So it became an LBP to do that. So we've pretty much been doing that ever since. So yeah, we've now got a company that we've started, TJ's Kitchens and Bathrooms. So we pretty much do everything around those two spaces. So all the building work, cabinetry,
Sure.
project manage the whole project. So yeah.
Awesome. And where's home for you? And tell me a little bit about your team, who's on your crew.
So we live in Auckland, New Zealand, in a little
Place in the Woods.
region called Hunua. So yeah, so
Whereabouts are you?
in Hunua.
Oh, Hunua. Okay. Yep.
Yeah. So we're out in the country on a lifestyle block. So decided to get out of the suburbs.
Don't they refer to that sometimes as like a lifestyle sentence?
Yeah. Well, that's my cousin. That's what my cousin reckons. He says, you know why they call them lifestyle blocks, eh? Because they suck up all your lifestyle.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but yeah, no, we love it. It's good. Just good place to chill out.
Awesome.
Yeah. So the team that we've got at the moment, obviously myself. We have Marion, my wife, who does all the accounting side of things. We've just employed Sam. She's been with us now 2 months. So she's like office admin, dealing with all of the, all that repeatable stuff. So helping me out with that. And then we have Bodie, who's just become qualified. So he'd be our lead carpenter. And then I've got Jackson, who is on his 3rd year of his apprenticeship.
Okay. Awesome. That's my EA, Bianca. I don't know if you met her. Her son is called Jackson.
Oh, okay.
She's on the shore.
Yeah, we met her on the plane flying over to the summit, actually.
Yes, I saw it. She took a photo.
Yeah.
That's right. Yes. Small world, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
So how has your mindset grown and evolved over the last sort of 12 months or so?
Yeah, it's obviously, we're progressing, obviously. Still not where we want to be, but it's made it's been a massive difference. I mean, when we had Bryn that obviously had a chat to us, that was just before Christmas of last year. Yeah, I was basically done. I was ready to pack it in, do something different. What that would have been, or who knows? But yeah, so had a chat to him, and we just decided, stuff it. We'll give it a crack. So that's pretty much right from the get-go. From January, we decided to just have a few weeks off, just sort of relax, and then we sort of got into it in January. Yeah, and just never looked back really. So
what have you implemented, and what have you put in place?
Yeah, so much. Lookbooks, an actual sales process, like systems, processes, communicating with clients, forms, templates.
And And is most of that on-site or back end for back costing or with your team or admin or D, all of the above?
Yeah, well, that's pretty much all of the above. That's one thing we do now is actually, I think I've back costed more jobs since we've been with you than I have in the last 30 years. So,
And what are your big takeaways from doing that? What insights have you gained from doing that?
um, it's a no-brainer really when you actually just stop working and actually think about it. But once we started doing that, and we've been able to, obviously, I don't do it. I've got somebody that does it for me now, so we can give us the figures, sit down, look at it. Straight away, you can see what's going on. So it's like whether it's I've made a mistake and I've stuffed up on quantities of materials. So straight away, we just go back into the templates, work that out. So that's corrected. So for next time, or if it's me again, if I've quoted it incorrectly in regards of hours, or if it's something that's happened on site and the guys just haven't quite got it right and they need to improve. So we're just constantly, as soon as we've back costed it, we've only just, the one that we're doing started now, we are back costing in real time. But the ones before that, we were just getting the jobs finished and then we were back costing them. So,
And if you keep on top of it, like as Lloyd was saying, every day, 15, 20.
yeah, 100%. Like because we've been doing it every probably week and a half. But when he said that, I was just like, yeah, we need to do that because, as you say, like if you just do it every day, it just becomes like a 10-minute job, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I love it. And what changed in your mind to think, right, I'm going to take massive action? Like, why not previously be taking massive action? You know, like I'm stoked with the momentum you're in, and I just am intrigued. Was it a confidence switch? Was it a shit? I know we can do better. Was it being in a community with other builders? Was it having a one-on-one coach, or what combination?
Um, yeah, it's been, I mean, we've been down this track before. We've tried two other business coaches. Um, they're not all equal. Um, so yeah, I don't even know how old it was, probably 23, 24. We tried our first business coach and we went from just me and my dad, we went to 14 guys in a year, grew massively in regards of revenue. And that was about it. I think we made an extra when we actually sat down and, I think we were at a barbecue and my dad says, what the fuck are we doing? And I says, I don't know, man. I says, but I'm that close to having a nervous breakdown. And when we actually sat down and actually did a profit and loss, we've made an extra $4,000 in the year.
Dear.
So it was just like, well, we could literally do that in a couple of weekends, So I think it was the coach that we were with, it was just like sell, 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 sell. Which is exactly what we did because we just wholly listened to them. And hey, we could have definitely done better as well. But yeah, it was just, I just don't think the timing was right. I was just too young, to be honest.
Sure.
And then we sort of, my dad got crook, so he retired. So I thought, I'll just do it on my own for a bit. But then you obviously cap yourself on the sort of projects you can take on because you're only obviously one person. So I just decided then okay, we wanted to grow it again, but we'll just do it a little bit slower, obviously a little bit older, a little bit wiser.
Few more grey hairs.
So I did that. And then we sort of, again, we sort of hit that ceiling, and it's just like, I just couldn't break through it. It's just really weird. So and then Bryn gave us a call. I still don't know how he got a hold of us, but obviously looking at something, and he gave us a call, and it was just like, yeah, man, we just need to just do it. I mean, we're obviously getting older, can't do it, can't be on the tools forever. So and it's always been a dream of mine to just train guys and just help them get to where they want to go, and
I think that's a big thing, right? Is building a vision big enough that your team can accomplish their goals within hours.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. And I mean, Marion's got obviously health issues as well. So that's another driving thing to it as well. We want to enjoy life and go out and travel and do the fun stuff.
Hasn't killed me yet.
Yeah.
Hi, Marion. How are you? How's it going?
Good.
What changes have you noticed in A, the business, and B, Tyrone himself?
He's a lot happier. And I mean, there's still stress attached, but yeah, I mean, the business is obviously tracking along better, which is reassuring because I obviously do all the numbers, and it's just that much more calmer and settled feeling than it was before, because everything that we were doing before was, as Tyrone says, just out of control, like scale chaos, as they say.
Yeah, you can't scale chaos. You can't scale lack of profit because
We gave it a pretty good crack.
it gets a good nudge. Nice.
Has he killed each other in the process? But yeah.
But no, I mean, from when Bryn rang us, I mean, we're on target to probably pretty much doubling our turnover, in 12 months.
Well done.
Losing
A lot of money.
probably 80 grand, and I think we're on target to probably making about 60 in profit. So yeah, so it's just been a massive turnaround. We're going to Raro in a couple of weeks.
Awesome. Where are you going to stay?
Nautilus.
Okay, I've stayed there before. That's a good place to stay.
Yeah, well, that's what we heard. So we thought, we need to do it. We were going to go there for our wedding anniversary, but we couldn't afford it, obviously, because the business wasn't doing the best. So that was one of our goals when we sat down with Bryn. So yeah,
Awesome.
everything that everything that we talked about with him, actually, we've hit. So yeah.
How good.
Yeah.
So what would you like to achieve going forward? Where do you want to take the business, and what's the ultimate game? Is it to structure a buy-in? Is it to set it up for sale in a couple of years? Like do a specky? What do you want to do?
Yeah, I can't see myself ever selling it, to be honest. But who knows? But yeah, I just want to grow it to a point we want to get to sort of 4 or 5 million turnover is what we're hoping to achieve. And just want to be able to just travel and duck away, when we want, and the business still to be able to run without us. So we just want to sort of have a little bit of, obviously, input within it, but it'd be nice if it, sort of 80-90% of it run by itself would be nice.
Yeah, I think is a great saying. Like, you don't build the business, you build your team.
Yeah.
And then the team follow the systems and they build the business.
Well, that's what we're trying to do a lot more of, because we're just been, and it's a hard habit to break because we've been doing it like 30 years, so, so it's just trying to, stop doing that. Need to teach these guys, so, and it's good for them as well. Gives them more responsibility, which they've loved,
Absolutely. I love it. It's good seeing great people who give back to the community and are great to work with, like yourselves, win and be in momentum. What would you say to someone who is maybe they're at where you were 12 months ago, or they've plateaued, things aren't going as well as they want, or they're going okay, but they know they could achieve more?
Yeah, I just think just join you guys, because it's good to just have that soundboard as well. Like some of the stuff, I wouldn't say a lot of the stuff, but some of the stuff we were sort of semi-thinking about, but never really pulled the trigger on anything, And you guys have been awesome. Like, it's just like, just do it, like, it just gives you that confidence just to go, yep, we should do it, and just get into it. So, yeah. Just, and just like the community as well, like just sending messaging Andy, just getting some ideas. Yep, no, that's good. Talking to a couple of coaches at the summit. With a couple of things that I wasn't too sure on how to do it. And they're like, yep, no, that's 100%. Go down that track. It's like, okay, cool. So,
and it's great. The environment, I think the coach is fantastic. And then the community, lots of other people have been lifted up by those people above them who might have solved a problem that you're grappling with. And so they're happy to give back.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what I love about it is, because builders are sometimes a little bit odd creatures, but all the ones that I've met anyway have all been fantastic, like super willing to help. Like, this is what we're doing that works, always sharing ideas. you know. Yeah, so it's an awesome community. Yeah.
What was your favorite moment or favorite session at the summit?
Lachlan,
Yeah, that was
nearly had me in tears. That just
Yeah.
you were like
Yeah.
rasping away. I'm thinking, God, everybody's going to think I'm passing out. But no, he was.
No, you weren't the only one.
yeah. Yeah, no, that was pretty out there. Simon Manor, I thought that was cool. I thought our lookbook and what we were sending out to clients was pretty good, but yeah. Best mixed levels.
There's always another level, right?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's what I keep saying to everybody. You know, is that we just got to keep improving, like 1% at a time. Like just keep going, keep improving. So yeah, that was my that was really good. Lloyd's always awesome. Like just
So easy to listen to.
yeah,
He's a champion, isn't he? Makes it
super nice,
very achievable, very doable.
yeah. And he's always really I had a chat to him on the the direct session that we had before that. So just having a chat about what our next hire was, and he was like, "Yep, you're right, on the right track. Do it." So I was just like, "Cool."
Who is your next hire?
Originally we were thinking construction manager, but I think we just need to get a foreman on the tools. I've got Bodie. He's just qualified, and I think I'm expecting a little bit too much out of him at this stage. So I think just getting somebody that's got like 10 years of experience,
Sure.
just to work alongside of him and help him grow as well. I think that would be a massive for the two of my guys that I've got at the moment, as well as for the business, growing it forward. Yeah.
I love it.
Mm.
Well, thank you very much for your time, Tyrone, Marion. You guys are champions. I love seeing your progress, and I wish you all the best and look forward to seeing you soon. And if you're coming into the city, feel free to drop in. We're here Tuesdays and Thursdays for a coffee.
Yeah. No, I will definitely do that. Yeah. No, thank you to yourself and all the coaches. It's been like, as I say, like, what was it, 10 months ago? I was not in a very good headspace. So really appreciate it. Yeah.
And you've listened as well. And you've taken on board what we've said. And there hasn't just been one answer. You've given us multiple answers and support. And for that, it's just massive. It's just helped us grow.
It's what we're here for. We're here to help. We love seeing great people like you win. And if I can help in any way, if you want to have a session or anything strategic you're thinking about, reach out. And also with the coaches, or if you want to talk to a specific community member, just reach out to us and we will hook you up. We love to give back to people who are taking action.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, team. Thank you. I appreciate you guys.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Have a great evening. See ya. Bye.